All right. Okay, let me go ahead and share my screen again. Make sure that you guys can see it. Oh, okay, so let me introduce myself first to the both of you, Rochelle and Ronnie. Ronnie, my name is Bond. Um, I am the business development manager of ABC World Franchising and ABC World, the company itself. Okay, so what I'm going to present to you guys today is the Franchise Broker Program, which is our new program, uh, Associate Business Consultants, yung mga magiging part nito. So I will explain that later on as we proceed. So welcome. And a little bit of background about our company first. Our company is a franchising business and an e-commerce business. So what we do, of course, is we develop brands that is for franchise, and we are definitely the franchisor. So marami na tayong brands that are available, as well as marami tayong branches. We are operational, 120 branches in 2 countries already, in the Philippines and also in the UAE. Okay, so you'll know more of that if you decide to push through to our franchise broker program. At the moment, we already have 4 in the team, and we're only looking for the first 10 pioneers in our brokers program. There we go. So let me proceed with our presentation. So what are we looking for? We are looking for associate business consultants. Okay. So what's in it for you first? Okay. As pag nagiging part kayo nito, this is a work from home setup. Okay. Hindi nyo naman necessarily need to come to the office because we have an office here in Atlanta Center in Green Hills and Annapolis, San Juan Metro Manila. And we also have one office in the UAE. So obviously, as we go along, when you do it online, you post on social media, then you can definitely do this business just like how we're doing it and the rest of the other people are part of this company already. Now, you will be provided with weekly load allowance so that whenever you tap some clients, you'll be able to call them. Okay, that's what we're giving to our brokers for the time being. And also, you will get your commission per deal. So whenever you have a successful franchisee, so instead na binibenta ninyo rito is yung real estate or insurance, you will be selling franchise. Okay, so you will get a commission per deal, and we will talk about how much you will get once you have a successful referral. You also have the opportunity to attend our events. What are these kind of events? We do a lot of expo, franchise expo. We also do a lot of like gatherings, which like what right now we will have one here in Marikina on Monday, and we just finished one in Davao last week. So and week before that was Cebu and many others. Okay, so marami tayong mga sinasalihan ng mga mga events that we are participating, our brands are participating, as well as the company is joining. Yeah, as I mentioned, we have franchise expos and travel forum. So what I had last week in Davao is a travel forum. So we met some businessmen and mga franchisees to be, and also brand partners to be. So usually when we promote this on social media, we boost them, and then when people come, then we will present to them our business. So you guys have the opportunity to join us. Okay, if in case you feel like traveling, gusto niyo bang mag-travel, Ronnie, and as well as ano ba kayo? Gusto niyo ba nagka-travel, Rochelle?
Sa case ko, sir, may mga estudyante po kasi ako eh.
Oh, anong ginagawa mo pala? Ano nagkakabalahan? Sorry.
Ano lang, sir, bahay na lang ngayon.
Bahay. Pero online, nagtuturo ka? Something like that?
Opo.
I see. Okay. Well, you have the option naman. You can opt in or opt out whenever you feel like. And if you're available, of course, we welcome you to our travel fair. Now, other than that, you also have, as what I mentioned, you have the opportunity to travel for free. So based on my own personal experience as the business development manager of the company, I went to different places last year up until this year. at least 4 countries and a lot of cities in the Philippines. And this is actually one of the reason why we come up with this program so that we will have partners who will also join us in this travel pag meron tayong mga opportunity to travel abroad and locally as well. So that's something that I am very happy to let you know because those are all expense paid by the company. Okay, so yeah. Career growth, let me talk about this a little further. Kasi ang career growth dito sa atin, once you are a broker, you will be given some kind of a sales target. Wala naman pong timeline. Once you reach a specific sales target or quota that we will be giving you, parang yun ang pinaka talagang goal nyo rito, then you can be promoted as unit managers and so on later on as sales managers. And you can also build your own team and get commissions out from it. That's the reason why we put on career growth. And who knows, eventually, as we expand internationally as well, we can also most likely acquire more partners and also mga tao natin or yung mga magiging part ng company, they will also be part of the company itself. So, pwede kayo maging i-hire na eventually kung malimbawang talagang maganda ang magiging performance po ninyo. Ayan. So, what are the commission and incentives? Are you guys ready to hear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. All right. So, of course, what we call it is called the franchise commission. Okay, since we're selling franchise, you are going to get a franchise commission. So, we have different brand partners in ABC World Franchising, meaning we have in-house brands and we have partner brands. So, for partner brands, this is depending on which brand you're going to, successfully refer to the company. Then you will get 25,000 minimum and above. That's depending on which brand. Okay. So as for Happy Chai is our first ever franchise that started in 2018. For successful referral of a cart or a kiosk, you will get 30,000 pesos. For Taco Taco Queen, which is our flagship brand, ito yung isa parang flag carrier natin sa ABC World Franchising, which is isa sa pinakamarami nating branches in the Philippines and now also in the UAE. When you refer cart or kiosk for Taco Taco Queen, you will get 50,000 pesos. And when you refer, if you able to refer someone who will become the master franchise in a country, meaning yung tao na to siya yung magiging full partner natin for a specific brand like Happy Chai and Taco Taco Queen sa ibang bansa, you will get 100,000 pesos. Okay? Now, let's move forward. Taco Taco Queen Franchise UAE, pag doon naman kayo nakapag-refer ng franchisee kasi since operational na tayo doon, we have 2 outlets in the UAE. You will get 3,500 dirhams, which is equivalent to also 50,000 pesos. As for Happy Chai, this is to be confirmed since we're going to be having our operational store in Abu Dhabi this coming August 18th. So after that, we will update you what will be the franchise division for Happy Chai in the UAE. Now, we also have country franchise. So what is ABC World Country Franchise? This is a franchise that is fully operational like ABC World Franchising. So parang ang gagawin niyan is sila yung partner naman natin for the ABC World Franchising itself. So pag gusto niya na siya yung magiging parang global partner natin, tawagin namin na is global partner, then you will get also 100,000 pesos. All of these, you will have trainings once you decided to join us, and you will be provided with a lot of knowledge as well as skill set that you can use to recommend the brand as well as our company franchise. Okay. So at the moment, meron din tayo mga ongoing incentives. So you're gonna be participating in this as well. Kumbaga kasama kayo dito as brokers. So for the person who will refer a stockist or a product stockist is for our e-commerce. So you get to know more of that once you also join our company as brokers as well. So pag nakapag-refer kayo ng product stockist, we will get 10,000 pesos and at all expense paid to Boracay. Now, as for the first 5 to refer a business hub is someone who will operate a small office, parang siya rin yung partner natin in a city zone or town zone, let's say Davao, Cebu, a specific area in the Philippines or even in the other countries, you will get 30,000 pesos plus trip to Boracay. Are we all good, sir, mga ma? Ms. Rochelle and Sir Ronnie? Okay po
Yes,
tayo?
sir.
All right. So, ano lang ba yung hinihingi ni ABC World Franchising to our associate business consultants or mga franchise brokers natin? These are the only compliance we will be getting. We will be needing from you guys. Number 1, ABC World Business Training. Of course, you won't be able to recommend the business if you won't be able to learn the business. Am I correct by saying that?
Yes po.
Yes. So, yun
Yes.
lang naman yan. Yes, right? So, ABC World Business Training is a full circle training for what we have in the company, how we work, who we are, and what are we doing at the moment as we go along and expand globally. Okay, so yeah. And number two is our franchise training. So, franchise training is specifically for the franchise brand. You would know some specifics. So, more para siyang product specific training in a company where you will learn all of the nitty-gritties of a franchise. They say what are the costs, what are the inclusions, what are the processes that we're following, as well as what are the things that they need or a franchisee need to know and a franchisor is supposed to provide to our clients as well. So dito yun, diyan siya matutunan. And number three, one of my favorite training is the e-commerce training. Of course, if you are not so, sabi natin hindi ka ganun ka-techy. Techy ba kayo guys? Rochelle and Ronnie, maalam ba kayo sa e-commerce?
May mga ideas,
Technical,
sir.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. So if you guys are very technical and you guys are may idea na, that is great kasi that will be your advantage. However, in this e-commerce training, you will be learning even the algorithm of Meta. So, and also, at least to make your boosting or your posting even more, sabihin natin mas may maa-achieve, di ba? In order to get more clients as well for our business. So e-commerce training, and most importantly, the last part of this, after you complete all the three trainings, is our ABC Revalida. So of course, what we want to achieve here in our ABC World Brokers program is to have people that we can duplicate, kaya nila mag-present. Kasi you will be provided with materials as well that you can use to your client so that whenever they ask questions, whenever they seek for presentation, virtually or even in person, you have all the skill set that you needed in order for you to present the business very well, aligned to how we're doing it in ABC World. Siyempre, we don't want to hindi kasi kami yung tipo ng company na namimilit ng mga kliyente. So we just want to present them the business, share the opportunity, then we do proper follow-ups and so on. So our Revalida is something that I'm looking forward to because I can probably share some insights. As a speaker for many years, I think this is something that we can really work on and work, in partnership with in this ABC World Franchise Brokers program. Kasi this is very fundamental in terms of sales kasi kailangan talaga ka kahit paano meron kang idea and alam mo ang magiging attack mo when it comes to presentation. So yeah. So yun lang naman yung apat na yan. And once you completed that, then again, you are already going to be welcome as one of our ABC World Associate Business Consultants. And you will be provided with let's talk about first the promotion process. So as I mentioned, you will be given like a target. A target is 1 million sales. And a little bit of an idea, how can you achieve this? Of course, di ba? Meron tayong mga franchise brands that are really expensive. Minimum natin nasa mga more or less 300 to 400,000 and above. So madali lang siya ma-achieve. Nakakuha ka lang ng once a month. Technically, if you're gonna get once a month, the way I look at it, you will be achieving at least 600,000 commission in 1 year. Kung ang goal mo is once a month, diba? Since you're doing it part-time. So that's what I'm always saying to all of the affiliates as well who are part of this business, who is doing the e-commerce. Kasi pag naka-close na kayo ng deal, guys, then you will be provided your e-commerce account where your commissions will be going in. Okay? So again, we are a legit and we're a legit company. We paid so much for our e-commerce accounts. Para siyang Shopee and Lazada. Then you can also have the opportunity to also sell the other brands that we have for online, which is yung mga products and brands naman natin for e-commerce. So that's a great part about it kasi after nyo ma-hit yung target nyo, or even on your first sale pa lang, guys. Halimbawa, nakapag-refer ka ng isang Taco Food franchise this month, right? The moment makapag-refer ka, you will have your e-commerce account. And this e-commerce account is for 20,000 pesos. FYI. So, just to let you know, kasi the e-commerce 20,000 pesos account is actually something that has a better threshold when it comes to getting commissions compared to the resellers one. Kasi meron tayong mga resellers package lang for our e-commerce. So you will get that as well. And of course, more opportunities like insurance. You will also have, of course, products and sa products that you can try for yourself too. Okay? Then you can also build your own group. Ito yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. So this is where the career growth is coming in. Basta na-hit mo ang 1 million sales target mo. Anytime within the year, right? You can already get 5 people to be part of your team. So itong 5 na to, once you become a unit manager or a franchise unit manager, then pag sila nakabenta naman, you also get your commissions too. Okay ba tayo ron, guys? Maganda ba yon?
Yes, sir.
Yes, di ba? Sabihin, syempre by that time, kumbaga maalam na maalam ka na, no? And then at the same time, you have also the opportunity to also build your team. And once they're able to recommend, syempre kailangan din na mapasa yung ating mga trainings, di ba? Or matapos nila yung mga trainings natin na compliance natin dito sa company. And once they're able to refer, apart from your commissions there, apart from their commissions, you also get something out of return because they are your team. So that's the leverage that you will get once you become our unit manager. And later on, kapag na-hit niyo yung target. There you go, as I mentioned. Okay? So, yeah. So anong rules of engagement ng ABC World Franchise to our new brokers? They're very simple. We will provide you a legitimate company ID where you are really a legitimate broker of the company. Kasi hindi tayo pumapayag o ang company po ng ABC World, hindi siya pumapayag na mayroon pa nga tao mag-refer na wala silang connection. Alright? Unless you are an affiliate or invested in the company yourself. So in this case, we opened it to 10 people who will be part of this business, who will be part of this opportunity, and you will be provided a company ID where you can also present to your client that you are really affiliated to our company, na talagang legitimate ka na franchise broker ng kumpanya ito. So ganun lang naman. And then we're just gonna give you some NDA so that we have a lot of like internals that we'll be talking about later on. So just to make sure that you are protected as well as the company as well. Now, as per the KPI reporting naman, we're going to monitor at least if you're able to talk some clients every week and see the progress, how you guys are doing. Also, side by side, we'll be guiding you then. I-guide namin kayo if there are anything that we can help you with. Yung KPI reporting kasi is, it's natin malalaman if the clients that you are going to be referring to us are really the eligible ones or not eligible ones, or maybe you can do some follow-up as well. Especially, we will create a social media platform or social media page specifically for our brokers too. Okay? Magkakaroon din kayo ng parang access to our main pages where pwede kayo sumagot dun sa ating page. At kapag na-close deal ngayon, the only difference between you doing it by yourself and answering to our main pages and Tako Queen, Happy Chai, ABC World Franchising is that you will share your commission with the company pagka doon kayo nakakuha na magiging franchising. And this is right after all of the trainings that you will get, which is not gonna take so much naman. Kasi yung training naman na yun probably can last for, I will consider it like 2 days, pero separate na training siya. Okay? So yun siya. So yeah. Mag-schedule tayo, guys. And that's all for our ABC World program. Do you have any questions sa akin? Miss Rochelle and also Ronnie. Let's start with Ronnie first. Go ahead, Ronnie.
I don't have any question.
Okay, thank you. And Miss Rochelle, do you have any questions so far?
As of now, sir, wala pa naman po.
All right. Now let me ask you questions then. If you don't have any questions, so do you think, guys, this is something that you can do as part of your side hustle or probably a part-time job that you can do on the side? Let's start with Ronnie.
Yeah, it can be possible for the side hustling, but this is actually just commission based if you cannot do something from it, so there's none that you can get, right?
Oh yes, kasi this is for like an affiliation with us. So basically, if you're able to refer a franchisee, then that's when you get the commission too.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. How about to Rochelle?
Wala naman akong ibang question, sir.
Wala ka namang question.
Yes po. Bali, affiliated din kasi ako ng AIA. So, parang same lang din naman. So, that is
Affiliated ko rin to I'm sorry, which company is that?
AIA Philippines, sir.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So, if you know someone also who might be interested, we still have few more slots. So, if you guys are going to agree with this, let me know so we can already include you to our official GC, and then we will send you some updates there for our next training para sa next natin pagkikita. So, you can go back to Miss Rose for your confirmation whether you wanted to be part of ABC World Franchise Broker Program. And just a little bit of like may parang mga parting words ko lang sa inyo guys. Our company is in our first year, although our brand's already existing in the market ng maraming taon na. So, kumbaga, hindi naman siya mahirap na ibenta based on my own personal experience because I joined this company last year as a training manager and I got promoted as a business development manager. So, you know, if you love talking to people, if you have the passion for sales, and you think that you really want to do this and you know explore the world and explore the business opportunity you have, then we are welcoming you to ABC World Franchise Broker Program. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Ayan, sige. Maraming salamat for joining for today's onboarding. Please give us a heads up or a message, a confirmation that you are solidly wanting to be part of ABC World Broker Program. Just message Miss Rose for that. Okay?
Okay po, sir.
All right. Thank you, Sir
Thank you,
Bond.
Ronnie and Rochelle. I'll see you. I'm looking forward to see you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Goodbye.